Coming soon
And
on Izigi.
there was a time being cleaning with my friends. I mean, I wasn't fine because I was during that whole breakup period. But because I'm eating meals, so there's a moment it hit me where I actually stepped out. And I literally with no balance, literally fell. And I just dialed my phone, like call. Just to, I don't know what was going on in my head. Like,
voice,
but just
maybe.
not yet. But whoever that answers or whoever that I'm calling, like angisakholwa, like yanizwa na advise nokhuluma nami yanizwa ukephe uzondlula nana apha angisakholwa. I can't. Topolo uthi bengikhala ngithandaza. Bengikhala ngisendaweni. That breakup affected my work, even the DJing work. I don't know how to speak out. Nothing beats talking. You're not perfect. At the end of the day, you're human. You've got emotions. You need to let it out. Rather be judged for ukhuluma than die with it inside. Because you know, we get cases whereby umuntu usuka bulale umuntu wakibo ubulale umfazi wakhe only because uthole i-anger inside of that. So, like, as an advice from me, learn to speak, man. That's the only key to this whole thing. Learn to speak and pray about everything that you go through.
Poleng Media Production.